morning. What a gorgeous day. Sure, it will have rain later. Anyway, still a lot of work to do inside the house, the Macan and in the entertaining area. Let's go and do all that. Okay, we're gonna stop this wall for now because I haven't got enough hollow blocks to do anyway, but just let you know how far we went. And yes, we put in the rebar inside the piers with epoxy. Okay, so this morning what Gongon's gonna do, just put some hollow blocks around here because I don't want the whole soil to collapse with too much rain or something. No, just a little bit. Yeah, just follow what you got. It's good.
This?
Yeah. Okay, not sure about the use of the string because after that things not straight. Hello, Melo. Why are you running so fast? Alright, I need to go back here, finish this. What are you doing there, Lily? Okay, we're doing those edges because we haven't got enough hollow blocks to do anything else. I think that borax I put yesterday has eliminated those ants, upset the truck with thousands running everywhere there. I would have put some rebars there. I don't know. Oh, Bella loves taking everybody else's shoes. Yeah, that's mine. Hey, so many things, huh? It's like Alibaba camp. I can't do much work with her. Okay, go. Go. I'm not sure I got any hollow block at the moment for this. Maybe a couple, put them in, but why don't you sit, my love? Hmm? Yeah. Cooking something? No. Washing dishes.
She was playing with the outlet there.
Okay, all the pieces around has been completed. Just need to do the floor and the horizontal pieces across. So anyway, smells nice again. I think it's time for lunch. Time for lunch, my love. Oh, you're already having. Okay. Another healthy chicken and fish.
Yeah.
Very nice. I like it. I'm gonna eat rice today. I'm hungry.
You like?
Baby, eat with us. She got an insect bite her here under the eye. Need to have a look at that. Put some aloe vera. Yeah? My love? Yeah. Maybe she scratched. Maybe Mimi scratched her. Because you carried Mimi so often yesterday. Yeah? You like it, huh? Yeah, when they clear up for the road, they bloody damage all the fence there. I mean, they should come back and fix it, but you know what's gonna happen? They will never show up. That's the Philippines. So, Oscar going on to fix the fence best he can. And then at the stage when there's more money coming, we'll do a proper fence. But for now, I just don't want those goats and maybe people tempting to come here, through here. So it's gonna fix it. I know it's a freaking mess, but we need to do it. Okay, I hope you follow the strings. Not always the case. Robert's house, weekend, nothing happening. Today's Friday, I don't know why they're not working. I'm not sure, but it's okay. Maybe waiting for some of the concreting to dry. You can see Gongo's house roof up there. Pretty good. I wish I had time, but I can't spend a day up there with him. There's so much to do here. I better go and get a cap. it's too sunny. Yeah, not sure when they're gonna start with the water connection, but I won't hold my breath for sure. Yeah, I was having a nap and a thunderstorm wake me up. Doesn't look good.
Big Green is coming.
Scary.
Rain, big.
You reckon?
See?
May not finish before the weekend. It's already Friday, about 3:30 p.m., 4 p.m. 3 p.m. roughly. Still a lot of work to do, but we managed to get those posts up at least. You see, I had 4 lengths of barbed wire. Anyway. You see the weather behind me? Nasty. Lily, where you going? Lily always hungry. For now, we just want to stop those bloody goats to come and eat James plants and vegetable.
There. The bottom, only 3.
Yeah. Start raining. Just about to finish the fence, but see how we go.
Your house is
Just joining all the barbed wire together. Back pretty strong, it's good. This weather. Yuck. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all, and hope to see you at the next live stream tomorrow morning. Bye bye.